Hi guys, in today's video, we're going to be connecting Brevo to WordPress using FuseWP. To begin, we'll head over to FuseWP's settings on the left-hand side. Here we'll scroll down until we find Brevo. Okay, it's right here, so we're going to click on Configure. Okay, now we'll need to enter the API key. So I'm going to click on this link, Brevo account, and it's going to take us to the exact place where we'll get our API key. So we're going to click on this link and we'll name our API key FuseWP to keep it simple. We'll click on Generate, and here's our API key. We'll need to copy this, then go back and paste it in this field right here. We'll save our changes. And now Brevo should be configured. We can always scroll down to confirm. Yes, it's good. We'll go ahead and test out this connection. So we'll go to user sync, and our aim here is to sync new registered users with Brevo. So we'll add a sync rule. We'll select user roles as our source. And next, we'll add a destination, and we can select any role or a specific one. We'll use subscriber. Then we'll select Brevo as our integration. We'll select our contact list from Brevo. Since we only have one, we'll use the default one. And next, we can map our custom fields. So we're mapping first name as text to Brevo's first name field. By default, the same is being done for the last name field. We can map another field if needed, but for this example, I think we're good. And if you want, you can also add another destination. We'll go up and click on Save. And once our changes are saved, we can fill out a registration form with test user data to see what happens. Okay, so once our form gets submitted, we'll see our success message, and we can immediately head over to Brevo to see if our contact was synced. So if we go to this CRM icon and click on lists, we'll find the list that we selected, your first list. And in here, we'll see the contact that we used to register. All right, so that was successful. I'm going to show you one more example where we subscribe users who submit a newsletter form. So once again, in sync rules, we're going to go ahead and add a new rule. This time, our source is going to be WP Forms. And our source item will be the newsletter sign-up form. We'll add a destination. We'll choose an event, which will be after form submission. And of course, our integration is Brevo. Moving on, we'll select our contact list. In our case, it's your first list. We'll go ahead and map our custom fields. So here we'll need to map email address as text to lead email address. And then we'll tackle first and last name. So we'll do first and last. I think our configuration is good for now, so we can go ahead and click on Save. And we'll test all of this out by filling out our newsletter form. So I'm going to go to the form and enter some random contact information and click on Submit. You'll just need to wait for your success message. Once it's confirmed that the form was submitted, we can go to Brevo, refresh our page to see if our contact was synced. Here it is, Thomas Harvey. That means everything was successful. All right, so I really hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching and see you next time.